In this guide, I'll show you how to transfer Nintendo Switch 2 gameplay clips to your phone. So from the Nintendo Switch 2 home screen, select the album icon at the bottom, and this will show you all of your gameplay clips. So I'm going to select this one right here. Then what you want to do is press A to open up the menu on this clip, and then you want to select Upload to Smart Device. Then you want to select the account you're going to upload it to, and then you'll just have to select Upload on the right side, and it'll upload this Switch 2 clip to the Nintendo Switch app. So once the clip has been uploaded, you can go onto your phone, and you want to download the Nintendo Switch app for free from the App Store. Now, when you first open it up, you will have to sign into that Nintendo Switch 2 account where you uploaded the clip, and if you have a look at the bottom of your screen, you'll be able to see uploaded screenshots and videos. So I'm going to select the video we just uploaded, and if you have a look in the bottom right, you can save the clip to your phone, or you can select share in the bottom left corner to share it with your friends or on social media. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.